use a lot of the latest technology to get the product to you. But really, when it comes right down to it, it's more about the craftsman. It's the guys and gals that have their hands on the product.
These guys have been doing this for a long time. They really know what they're doing. We've refined this product over many, many years.
We've got quality checkpoints on each and every step in the process of making the windows, and these aren't quality checks that are done by machines. These are quality checks that are being done by the craftsmen.
Our glass comes in 72 by 84 inch sheets. It is loaded up onto our glass cutter. The glass cutter is a float table in which the glass is dropped onto the float. It is able to be vacuumed down to the center section, in which the software then scores the glass to a pattern that optimizes the glass, giving us the least amount of waste possible. Once the glass is cut, it gets put through our washer. After it's been through the washer, it gets the Duralite spacer applied to it. Once the spacer is applied, the two glass pieces get put together to make an IG unit. Then it is sent through the press. Once it's through the press, we'll get a final quality check, be tagged, and then have an argon gas fill. Once the argon is full, then the fourth corner will be sealed over with a torch lamp.
We take the sticks of frame and we put them on the frame saw table. From then, it gets cut by the frame saw. We use a system called Fenavision that optimizes each piece of stick and makes sure that there's no waste. From then, we punch it, and then we're done.
This is the welder in which the material is heated up to 250 degrees Celsius on a timer for a fusion weld. Once both sides have been welded, it is put over at the cleaner. The weld generates an excess that needs to be taken off at the cleaner. The cleaner has 32 programs in a series of 7 tools in which it takes off the excess weld. Once it's been cleaned, it is ready for assembly.
We take the sash, we do the final cleaning on each corner. We'll do tape on each 4 sides. Once that is done, we'll put locks on them, or keepers, depending on which sash it is.
This is the glazing station in which the glass comes together with the vinyl frame. Once the glass is set into the frame, the glazing bead is applied on the exterior for an exterior glaze. Once the window is completely glazed, then it is scanned into our Fenavision software. Fenavision then generates our temporary NFRC label in which we are required by law to apply to the windows. Once our windows are completed, they are loaded onto a Landstar truck that is an air float truck that gets our windows there safely and good quality. And then they are shipped to one of our facilities in Utah, Idaho, Iowa, South Dakota, Kansas, or Nebraska. When we're speaking of wind and air infiltration, not only does our glass package create for a tighter window, but also our triple fin weather strip that is applied to both frame and sash prevent the air from escaping from the house and also from the wind getting into the house.
Another one of the things that we have tested on every window that we make is the U factor. The U factor is all about keeping the cold where we want it. It keeps the cold out in the winter and in the summer. We have some of the greatest numbers in the industry when it comes to solar heating efficiency and the U factor. Neat thing about the U factor, not only does it keep the cold where you want, but by pumping that argon gas in between the 2 panes of glass, it actually serves as a noise deadener. You get the comfort, you get the beauty, you get the noise reduction, no more dust, no more air infiltration.
Unlike many in our industry who buy their parts from foreign countries, our products are handcrafted with American parts.
The products are high quality. You can be selling lower quality products for the same price. The American Exteriors has a better product at a better price. We aren't low end, we aren't the most expensive, we're the best value.